When I used to live in Sanlitun, I made it a habit to try every new promotion Shake Shack released. It was my guilty pleasure. So today, when I randomly stumbled upon another Shake Shack, I knew I had to order their 3 newest promotional items. Shake Shack started as a hot dog cart in New York's Madison Square Park. But here in China, they've become a cultural icon, blending American fast food nostalgia with local limited edition flavors that always keep us guessing. First up, the Chimichurri Burger. This beauty comes with melted cheese, red and yellow bell peppers, grilled onions, fresh cilantro, and a generous spread of chimichurri sauce. Now, chimichurri is a traditional herb-based condiment from Argentina and Uruguay, very popular in South American cuisine. As someone who used to eat at Argentinian restaurants in Los Angeles, I was excited. The sauce here was creamy, and I could definitely catch that familiar herby tang. Honestly, I wish they added a little more topping, but overall, the flavor combination was pretty satisfying. Next, the Chimichurri Cheese Fries. They absolutely drowned these fries in chimichurri and cheese sauce, so much that I had to use a fork. But that meant every bite was packed with that bold, savory flavor. And then, the Sparkling Kale Lychee Lemonade. It comes with real kale leaves and a slice of lemon on top. I have to say, this drink caught me off guard. It was surprisingly refreshing and delicious. And here's the thing, lychee is not a common flavor in the US at all. For me, it feels very special, almost exotic. It tastes like summer in a glass. Was this meal cheap? No. But as we all know in China, quality always costs just a little bit more. And honestly, for this experience, I think it was worth it.